and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I don't know if y'all can tell, but I feel like there has been a difference as far as my appearance. My skin looks good. Obviously your girl got her eyes did. The last time y'all see me, my glasses are scratched up. So today, if you cannot tell by the title of this video, it's going to be my 1 month, actually 1 month plus some days, review on the Cota skin line. So what I want to do actually, I'm gonna let you guys take control of this. I want y'all to go down in the comment section below after you watch this video, of course. Let me know if you see a difference, if you don't see a difference, if you have some extra comments, opinions, or whatever. Put them down below. I want to see y'all thoughts on this, and I want to give other people the opportunity to see your thoughts as well, because is it really worth the hype? You know what I mean? Be prepared. I want you to go down below, type it up, let me know, like, girl, yes, your skin looks good, or girl, no, your skin just looks like nothing really changed, and we'll go from there. So today's video is gonna be a little bit different because in the last video, I talked to you guys about a lot of things. I did the unboxing video. It comes in a parcel like this. I did an initial review. Ooh, this smells good. Oh, I like this. I also did a little tutorial. I even talked about the old products versus the new products. The cleanser is actually a little bit smaller than the original one. So that is something that's different, and it's something I wasn't expecting. And if you haven't watched that video, stop what you're doing. Stop, pause. Click the link down in the description bar. You definitely want to check that out before you check this one out, because I talk about a bunch of good stuff in that video. It might be a little long, not that long, it's like 14 minutes, but I do give some good information in that video, and I highly recommend you stopping what you're doing, take a look over there, and then come back over here and join us. So in this video, I'm going to do a couple of things. I want to talk to you guys about price, because y'all were hitting me up like, did the price change? And I don't even think that's really gonna matter so much, because I mean, it's you're gonna buy it or you're not gonna buy it. It is what it is. And then a lot of you guys wanted to know if I've seen a huge improvement in my skin. Now, as you can see, my face, my complexion, personally, I think my complexion looks great. As far as my scarring around my chin area, because I am a woman who grows a little bit of facial hair and acne problems all down here, which is my problem area. It's terrible. So I do have some hyperpigmentation too that I think has drastically improved. I still do have some that I'm working on, but I feel like overall my skin looks pretty good if you ask me. But I want to give you guys the option to choose on that, or to decide on that. Like I said, so my problem area is down in my chin area. I do have some close-up shots because a lot of y'all didn't believe me. I was like, girl, your skin already looks good. And I'm like, no, the camera might make it look good, but in real life, it's a struggle. It's been a struggle for me for the last past 10 years, and I'm trying to work on it. If this doesn't work, if this product don't work, y'all say y'all ain't seen no results, your girl's gonna hit up her plastic surgeon, not really a plastic surgeon, but a physician, and I'm going to go and get some medical treatment done to fix my issues so I can be more happy with my skin. Because your girl wanna look young. I'm 30 now, I gotta look good. So let's go ahead and jump in the video. First question I'm going to answer is about price. Y'all was tripping on this. Like, so many of y'all reached out to me, DM me on Instagram, DM me on YouTube, but I didn't even know I even had the option. I was just clicking on things and I was like, oh, there's a bunch of questions right here. There's a bunch of stuff. Let me take a look at this. So I looked at it, I reviewed it, I answered some of y'all questions. For those of you who are still curious, because I didn't answer your questions because I felt like the best way to do it is do it right here. Let's take a look. So I went back, I digged up my emails, and for some reason, I thought I purchased these products back in like January or February. I actually purchased them in March. So here's my receipt, and as you can see, the price did change by $2. Is that a big deal? For me personally, no. For other people, I don't know. That's just up to you. Now, as far as what you guys really came here for, you guys want to know, does the product work? You've seen so much hype online, just like I did, because I've been trying to get my hands on the serum more than anything, because people have seen major improvement in their skin, great results. Some people's skin has literally did a 360. Oh, before I get to that part, people did ask me, was this a skin bleach? Now y'all know I do not, it's not promoted like that. It's just promoted to help lighten up dark spots. It's not really here to like change you from this to this. That's not how this works. To me, overall, I feel like my complexion has literally evened out. I used the cream not only on my face, but I did focus it on my eyes as well as around my mouth, because what I didn't want was for my face to be like even out in complexion, getting into that one skin tone, because now, as you can see, I don't know, I ain't trying to like flash y'all, but as you can see, my face is starting to match my body, which is crazy, or my chest, which is crazy, because normally your face, which is natural, it's not really crazy, which is natural for your face to be a lot darker, especially if you live in the South. If you live in the South, you already know, we tanning pretty much the majority of the year. So I was happy to see that everything was started to like even out, you know what I mean? It's not a bleaching cream. If it was a bleaching cream, your girl wouldn't be using it, because we don't play them games around here. So it's not gonna turn you from this to this. It's gonna make your skin tone nice and even. It's gonna really help you look good. I mean, that's just my opinion. I don't really know if that's how it's promoted, but that's my opinion. What I do know is it's also supposed to brighten up dark marks. So if you have scarring, you have scarring from acne or from hair or whatever, or hyperpigmentation, that is supposed to improve that. So go ahead, do a little bit more research. Definitely reach out to the Cota team, like I've been telling y'all, because your girl don't really know. I'm not being sponsored for this video. This is just my opinion, my thoughts, and my views, okay? So now let's go ahead and move on to what y'all came here for. So here are my pictures from August 19th. I would try to leave a timestamp, I guess, of when I took them. And I took quite a few of them. Like, your girl was just trying to get different angles and really focus on my face, like my chin area, because this is like my biggest problem area. And as you can see, I had a lot of issues. Now, with that being said, during this time of the month, I believe I was about to get on my cycle. So I was experiencing a breakout. I did have this huge zit on my chin that y'all didn't even notice in the video. People were like, your skin is so great. I'm like, what do you mean? There's this big zit on my chin. Like, what are you talking about? But y'all didn't even notice it. And again, it's there. You can see all these little dark marks. You can see little hair, little this, little that, little acne everywhere. It was terrible, right? Now, let's fast forward to, I believe I took these on, I want to say like, I don't know, don't quote me on this, maybe like a week ago. I took these pictures to try to compare, and I wasn't really sure. You'll see this, you'll see the date on there, okay? Like I said, I don't know. I'm gonna fill it in this video for you. So I took these and I wanted just to compare if I noticed an improvement in my skin, and initially I didn't really notice anything. So it was just like, you know, it looks okay, you know, overall my skin looks all right, but does the scarring look different? Not really, but that's just my opinion. So then fast forward, we're on a timeline here, you guys, work with me. Fast forward, now today is September 24th. I want to go ahead and fast forward and just show you guys what we're working with today. So as you can see, my complexion of my face, I feel like looks great. My lips might be a little ashy because, you know, it happens sometimes. It's that time of the year, I need to exfoliate my lips. But now, as you can see, there has been some change, I feel like. I don't know. Like I said, I'm gonna give you guys, put the ball in y'all court. You tell me, do you see a difference? Let's go through it. Day 1 to today. Do you see a difference? Day 1 to today. Do you see a difference? Day 1 to today. To today. Today. Do you see a difference? So like I said, go ahead and stop what you're doing. Leave your comment down below. I want to get you guys' opinion on this. Trust me, it's not going to just help me, but it's going to help a lot of other people out there too. This is something I think I'm going to start doing a lot for other products that I'm going to review. Go ahead and leave your thoughts down below. Look, I already know what my face looks like. You're going to be like, girl, you got so much going on inside there. You might need to... No, I already know. If the product does not work, if you guys don't see an improvement, trust me, I'm going to see a physician. I'm getting this lasered off and fixed. So, thank you so much for watching my video. Do not forget to rate, subscribe, comment, and leave your review down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Do not forget to shop my hair care line, Stimulate Hair Care, and I will see you guys later. Oh, follow me on Instagram, Mrs.BreHenderson, and I would love to chat it up with you guys. I'm always in the stories over there every day pretty much. So I'm there. So hit me up and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Everything high end, I whip the Mozzie. Yeah, I be blowing herb. Make a deposit. I am not from the earth. Stay on my flash shit.